Your eyes, windows to the world. Our eyes are precious. They allow us to experience the beauty of the world around us. We rely on them every day. Taking care of our eyes is essential for a healthy and vibrant life. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes need proper nourishment. Essential nutrients and vitamins keep our eyes functioning at their best. They help prevent age-related eye diseases and maintain optimal vision. In this essay, we'll uncover the top nutrients and vitamins that are vital for eye health. We'll explore their benefits and how to easily incorporate them into your diet. Get ready to nourish your eyes from the inside out. Think of this as a recipe for healthy vision, providing your eyes with the vital ingredients they need to thrive. Superstars for sight, unveiling the top nutrients. Certain nutrients stand out as true heroes for maintaining optimal eye health. These powerhouses provide the building blocks for strong vision and protect your eyes from damage. First, we have vitamin A, a true visionary leader in the world of eye health. It plays a crucial role in protecting your cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye. Next, we have lutein and zeaxanthin. This dynamic duo acts as natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light emitted by digital devices. And let's not forget vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your eyes from damaging free radicals. It also supports the health of your blood vessels, including those in your eyes. By incorporating foods rich in these nutrients, you provide your eyes with the tools they need to stay healthy and strong. Vitamin A, the visionary leader. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision. It helps your eyes adjust to different light conditions, allowing you to see clearly both day and night. Ever heard of night blindness? It's often caused by vitamin A deficiency. One of vitamin A's key roles is protecting your cornea. The cornea acts as a protective shield, safeguarding your eye from harmful germs and debris. Vitamin A keeps it healthy and functioning properly, but that's not all. Vitamin A also plays a vital role in preventing age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in people over 50. Getting enough vitamin A can help reduce your risk. Where can you find this vision-boosting nutrient? Sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale are all excellent sources of vitamin A. Add these foods to your plate to nourish your eyes from within. Section 4. Lutein and zeaxanthin. The dynamic duo. Lutein and zeaxanthin are like superheroes for your eyes. They act as natural sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light. We're constantly exposed to blue light from our phones, computers, and even the sun. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful rays and protecting your delicate retinas. They also play a crucial role in preventing cataracts, a clouding of the eye's natural lens that can lead to blurry vision. These powerful antioxidants are found in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale. They're also abundant in eggs, particularly in the yolk. So, make sure to include these eye-protecting nutrients in your diet to keep your vision sharp and clear. Section 5. Vitamin C, the antioxidant avenger. Vitamin C is an antioxidant powerhouse that protects your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm our cells, including those in our eyes. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to our eyes, particularly the cornea and lens. Getting enough vitamin C helps maintain the structural integrity of your eyes. Think of vitamin C as a superhero, fighting off those harmful free radicals and keeping your eyes strong and resilient. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C. Other good sources include strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Section 6. Eat your way to healthy eyes. Incorporating these eye-healthy nutrients into your diet is easier than you think. Here are some practical tips. Start your day with a vision-boosting breakfast. How about a spinach and egg omelet? You'll be getting a healthy dose of vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Snack smart. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for baby carrots, sliced bell peppers, or a handful of almonds. Make it colorful. Aim for a rainbow on your plate at every meal. The more colorful your fruits and vegetables, the more nutrients they pack. Remember, taking care of your eyes is a lifelong journey. By making simple changes to your diet and incorporating these eye-healthy heroes, you can enjoy clear, vibrant vision for years to come.